Hello, Madiskarteng people! It's me again, Madiskarteng Inday, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the tiny bell for more videos.
First, we need to use a rock salt for washing our chicken, like this. Make it sure that even inside of the chicken will be very clean using our salt. And after how many minutes, we need to wash our chicken also using our running water. And then we drain it. And then we get the salt again. Put in our chicken like this. Massage the chicken using the rock salt. And then we marinate it for about 2 hours. And then the other people, they don't like the head and the neck, so they cut it. Then after 2 hours, get a clean plate. And we use a kitchen towel to dry up the chicken. And we need 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. And we massage again the chicken using the wine. And then we put our 2 slices of ginger, 3 pieces of scallot that I cut into half. And then we boil water using a big pan. And then we put our chicken. We will start to steam it. Cover it for 20 minutes, high heat, and then we finish the 20 minutes, just cover it and leave it for 35 minutes. Don't open the cover, and then see the result. You drain the water. And then it's done. So we will cut it like that. And then before we cut the whole chicken, we need to use a sesame oil. We will massage again into the body of our chicken. And then cut it. Thank you for watching, Madiskarteng people. I hope you enjoy my video for today. So, I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the tiny bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!